As we age, our bodies undergo changes that can impact muscle mass and overall health, especially after the age of 50. Nighttime nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting these needs, as the right foods before bed can help preserve muscle and promote recovery while we sleep. During the night, our bodies repair tissues and regulate important processes, making nutrient intake at this time particularly valuable. Targeted foods can provide essential proteins and nutrients that aid in muscle maintenance and help prevent age-related decline. By understanding the importance of what we eat before bedtime, individuals over 50 can take proactive steps toward better health and vitality. Bone broth is a nutrient-rich liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues. It contains collagen, which helps maintain the integrity of joints and supports healthy skin. Gelatin, another key component, aids in cushioning joints and can reduce inflammation throughout the body. Glycine, an amino acid found in bone broth, plays a role in promoting deep, restful sleep and assists in muscle recovery after physical activity. Together, these elements make bone broth a valuable addition to a balanced diet, offering benefits for joint health, reduced inflammation, and improved sleep quality. Almonds are a rich source of magnesium and tryptophan, two nutrients that play a vital role in promoting relaxation and overall well-being. Magnesium helps to stabilize stress hormones, which can reduce feelings of anxiety and support a calmer mood. It also contributes to nighttime muscle recovery, making it beneficial for those seeking better rest and physical restoration. Tryptophan, an essential amino acid found in almonds, is known for its ability to encourage the production of serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep and relaxation. Including almonds in your evening routine may help ease tension and support a restful night's sleep. Their nutrient profile makes them a smart choice for both mental and physical relaxation. Seaweed is a remarkable source of nutrients that contribute to both anti-inflammatory effects and muscle protection. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein, help repair and maintain muscle tissue, supporting overall strength and recovery. Taurine, another compound found in seaweed, plays a role in reducing inflammation and protecting muscle cells from damage. Omega-3 fatty acids, well known for their anti-inflammatory properties, further enhance seaweed's ability to support joint and muscle health. Fucoxanthin, a unique pigment present in brown seaweed, has been studied for its potential to reduce inflammation and support metabolic health. Together, these components make seaweed a valuable addition to a diet focused on muscle maintenance and reducing inflammation. Greek yogurt is a rich source of casein, a type of protein known for its slow digestion rate. Unlike other proteins that are absorbed quickly, casein forms a gel in the stomach, releasing amino acids gradually over several hours. This slow release effect helps maintain a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles, especially during periods of rest, such as overnight. By providing sustained protein delivery, casein in Greek yogurt helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports recovery while you sleep. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your evening routine can be an effective way to promote muscle maintenance and overall health. Boiled eggs are a valuable source of complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. One standout amino acid found in eggs is leucine, which plays a crucial role in stimulating muscle regeneration and maintaining strength. Consuming boiled eggs can help support muscle recovery after exercise, making them a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Their nutrient profile not only aids in building and preserving lean muscle mass, but also contributes to overall health. With their convenient preparation and versatility, boiled eggs offer an easy way to incorporate high-quality protein into your diet. Tart cherries are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Consuming tart cherries can boost melatonin levels in the body, which may lead to improved sleep quality and duration. In addition to melatonin, tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and pain. These compounds have been shown to alleviate muscle soreness and protect muscle tissue after intense physical activity. By combining the benefits of melatonin and anthocyanins, tart cherries offer a unique approach to supporting restful sleep, minimizing discomfort, and promoting overall muscle health. Cottage cheese is a rich source of casein protein and calcium, making it an excellent choice for supporting both muscle and bone health. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady supply of amino acids, which helps repair and build muscle tissue throughout the night. The calcium found in cottage cheese plays a crucial role in maintaining bone density and strength. Together, these nutrients can help reduce morning stiffness by promoting muscle recovery and joint flexibility. Including cottage cheese in your diet may contribute to overall physical resilience, especially after periods of rest or sleep. Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a rich source of vegetable protein that supports muscle repair and growth. Their high iron content helps maintain healthy blood and prevents fatigue, ensuring stable energy levels throughout the day. Magnesium in lentils plays a crucial role in muscle function and relaxation, which can help reduce the likelihood of muscle cramps at night. Additionally, lentils are packed with B vitamins, essential for converting food into energy and supporting the nervous system. Together, these nutrients make lentils an excellent choice for those seeking sustained energy and improved muscle health. Peanut butter is more than just a tasty spread. It's packed with nutrients that support your muscles while you sleep. Rich in protein, it helps repair and build muscle tissue overnight. The healthy fats found in peanut butter provide a slow, steady source of energy, which can be especially beneficial during long periods without food. Additionally, peanut butter contains magnesium and potassium, two essential minerals that aid in muscle function and recovery. Together, these nutrients make peanut butter an excellent choice for sustained muscle energy throughout the night. Moringa leaves are renowned for their impressive nutritional profile. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a valuable plant-based source of complete protein. Rich in iron and magnesium, moringa supports healthy blood formation and muscle function. The leaves are also packed with antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular consumption of moringa has been linked to stabilizing blood pressure and regulating blood sugar levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular and metabolic health. These combined benefits make moringa leaves a powerful addition to a balanced diet. Amaranth seeds are a remarkable source of nutrition, offering all the essential amino acids required by the human body. Notably, they are rich in lysine, an amino acid often lacking in other grains. Lysine plays a crucial role in muscle regeneration, helping to repair and build tissues after physical activity. Additionally, it supports bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and collagen formation. The complete protein profile of amaranth ensures sustained energy levels, making it an excellent choice for those seeking plant-based nutrition. Incorporating amaranth into your diet can contribute to overall wellness and vitality. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a range of essential nutrients that can benefit overall health. They contain complete protein, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Rich in magnesium, pumpkin seeds help reduce muscle cramps and support nerve function. Their high zinc content contributes to immune health and can help lower inflammation in the body. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are a good source of iron, which is vital for maintaining energy levels and preventing fatigue. Together, these nutrients make pumpkin seeds an excellent choice for supporting energy balance and reducing discomfort from cramps and inflammation. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense superfood renowned for its impressive protein content, which includes essential branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs. These amino acids play a vital role in supporting muscle repair and growth, making spirulina an excellent choice for quick recovery after exercise. In addition to protein, spirulina is rich in iron and magnesium, both of which are important for maintaining energy levels and reducing muscle fatigue. The presence of powerful antioxidants further helps to combat oxidative stress, leading to reduced inflammation throughout the body. Together, these nutrients make spirulina a valuable supplement for athletes and anyone looking to enhance muscle recovery and overall wellness. To recap, we've explored 13 powerful bedtime foods that can support muscle health and overall wellness, especially for those over 50. From lean proteins and Greek yogurt to nuts, seeds, and antioxidant-rich berries, each of these options offers unique benefits for recovery and vitality. Including foods like cottage cheese, eggs, and fatty fish can help provide essential nutrients that aid in muscle repair while you sleep. Herbal teas, bananas, and whole grains also contribute to better rest and sustained energy. By making these foods a regular part of your nightly routine, you can enhance your body's natural ability to maintain strength and well-being as you age. Small changes in your evening habits can lead to noticeable improvements in how you feel and function every day.